going on, guys? I'm back at the shop again, once again, and I actually cleaned it up decently well. And right now I'm working on finishing prepping my doors. They're actually very straight, very good. Besides some orange peel in primer, because it's just like a height build primer, so we left a little bit of orange spray. And I need to still do my fenders. So right now I'm just eager to paint something. So I'm just gonna paint both of my doors. One's in the back over there, one's right here. I'm gonna finish prepping them, a little bit more sanding, and then I'll paint them so I can seal the car up, close it up, you know, so it's not so my interior doesn't get nasty again. It's actually, like you probably saw in the last video, it's decently clean. I mean, there's a little bit more vacuuming to do, but I'm just gonna go over it again to make sure it's super clean. And right now I actually got my hardware for my clutch, for my flywheel, and for my pressure plate. So I have to put that in, and as soon as that's in, I can put the back housing on and then put it in. I'm gonna quickly throw you guys on time lapse and do some. Put the base coat on. Since it's metallic, I really hope it's gonna match my car, because the more coats you put on, the more darker it's gonna get. I'm hoping, since I did like 3 and then dust coat on the car, I did the same thing, 3 coats and dust coat on the doors and stuff. Hopefully it's gonna match, but so far base coat's on. I'll wait until it dries out. I did mirrors, I did 2 doors as other part of the mirrors, and then the door handles and the gas tank. The gas tank had a boo-boo. You can see it's pretty bad, so I'm gonna have to probably redo it. The handles were okay. These part of the mirrors were okay. So the doors started reacting. They're not the cleanest thing ever either. They have a lot of dust specks in them, which freaking sucks. So I'm gonna wait until they dry, and I'll try to, there's a special rag, you can basically be safe to wipe them. So I'm gonna try to wipe them down. The reaction, I don't know why it happens. It only happens in this primer that I use. So I wonder if just paint doesn't wanna play good with primer. And the mirrors, this part of the mirror still also had not the greatest stuff, so I might have to redo them too. So we'll see. I'll let them dry. I'll let everything dry first. I'm probably gonna clear coat for everything anyway, and then if anything, I'm gonna redo everything from there. So yeah, now I gotta wait 30 minutes and clear coat everything. Alright, this is the next day. And it's dry-ish. It's a little dirty. I actually did not miss any edges. Oh no. Ah, that's okay. There it goes. Some people keep these black, but I didn't. Have a little bit of a run right there. How about this one? A little bit of run, a little bit orange peel, a little bit of dirt, a little bit of everything, but I'm pretty happy. Now the moment of truth is, so right now I'm gonna quickly throw driver's door on and see how it looks. All right, I think it matches pretty well. The true test will be outside on the sun, but I think I can't tell the difference. I can't tell the difference. That means good. So pretty happy. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Tomorrow on Monday I'm gonna come here and prep my fenders. Hopefully maybe a hood and trunk, and hopefully by the end of next week I'll be able to paint everything. I still have paint left, which is shocking because I did a lot of painting, all the jams and everything. I need to do the roof. I forget, my roof is not done yet. But besides a little bit of a run right here, and it's being a little bit dirty some spots. I don't know if you can tell, it has some dirt specks. Turned out pretty well. Doors are on, mirrors are on, trim is on. Actually, I forgot to put this one on, but I did clean this one window. I mean, it needs a little bit more cleaning, but it's better than this window. So much overspray and dust on it. And then this black trim's on, and the mirror's on. It's starting to look like a car. Still lots to go, but it looks better. It's way better. I'm gonna finish this video like this. Car sort of put together. I appreciate you guys watching. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me painting the car and painting the doors, finishing it up. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.